Hey guys, to change your lock screen password on your iPhone 15, you need to go to your settings, and from here you need to swipe down and you need to visit this call Face ID and passcode. Tap here once. Now you need to enter your PIN. Let me enter my PIN. So now from here you need to swipe down and you will see this option called change passcode. Tap here and you will ask to start the process. I have already started the process. It says security delay in process. So this is a security on your iPhone. You will need to start the process, and after starting the process the timer will come, which will be initially 1 hour. So after the timer ends, you will able to change your passcode. So after it ends, if after it comes to 0, you will be able to change your password. So yeah, that's how you change your lock screen password on your iPhone 15.